The digital product passport requires companies to make decisions about several areas. In this video, we'll cover one of these areas: the data carrier. The Eco-Design for Sustainable Products Regulation mentions a few different types of data carriers. A data carrier should be physically present on the product itself, the product's packaging, or in product documentation, so that the relevant information can be accessed throughout the product's lifecycle. Examples of data carriers that the EU legislation mentions include the following, although the acceptable data carriers for each product group will be determined by the industry-specific legislation. A QR code is a two-dimensional matrix code that is machine-readable, scannable by smartphones, familiar to consumers, and easy to produce. A QR code can trigger a web page that contains digital product passport information. A one-dimensional barcode is cheap to produce, but can trigger errors based on the quality of printing. RFID tags are more expensive to use, but can contain more data, from 2 to 128 kilobytes. They are useful for machine sorting and require a special scanner to use. A product watermark is a nearly invisible tag applied to a product. They can contain specialized types of data, are secure and not easily replicated, but require special scanners to be read. Many consumers are already familiar with the matrix-like QR codes, which are easily scannable and can pull up digital product passport information with already widely proliferated smartphones. Get more information on each of these different areas in the related PicoNext videos about digital product passports, and start preparing for digital product passports by learning more at PicoNext.com.